Hey guys, what's up? So, Toby guys, the top best race tweets, iOS 15. First tweak is called No Switcher Cache and it removes the cache of the snapshot when using a grid switcher. So, it was only tested to work on iOS 13, guys, which means it could work higher, but it supports iOS 13 and 13.7. iOS settings buttons, UI, and pretty much this supports iOS 13 to 16.2 for the UI theme manager, like Snowboard UI extension. The theme. Next we've got no music volume knob and supports iOS 13 and 13.7 and moves a knob, guys, on the volume slider in Apple Music. Widget radius makes old widgets match the new ones. Supports iOS 14 to 16.2. Next we've got no buttons when playing and removes quick actions. Buttons when playing music. Supports iOS 13 to 16.2. Only tested on iOS 13 though. Next is called unlock or else, and make sure passcode pop up the right way. Supports iOS 13 to 16.2. So this brings your passcode screen when your screen turns off. It's called music lyrics share. Long press lyrics in the Apple Music to share them. This does support iOS 13 to 14.4.2. So you see you can share them. Unlock for music and long press lyrics in the Apple Music. So launch the screen when music changes. So tested on iOS 14 but show on iOS 10 and up to iOS 16.2. Next is called music artwork no corners and removes the artwork corner radius in the Apple Music. We have shake it off. Shake it off. Okay. Shake your device to toggle some crap. Supports iOS 13.0 to 16.2. Allows you to shake your device to toggle some useful actions. Timestamp and dynamically cycle between time and date. Supports iOS 13 to 16.2. So it's like between the time and date on the status bar. Step up. Change the amount of steps for volume. Supports iOS 13 to 16.2. Alright, we have settings buttons. Supports iOS 13 to 16.2. Useful buttons and the settings. So